Last time ngantshela ukuthi mina ngidila nalabo abawinayo bese ama-losers adila ngama-losers yabo. So siphethe my brother la uthi uwinile uzositshela bawinile bayenzani, but first things first ngicela uzi-introduce kubantu bami ukuthi ubani obani and which team to play for. Okay, Prince, uthomile nini ngubaba lapho?
Camera.
So tell us about the game here namhlanje. How did you find the whole game? And because we need and even yakhona ifike kuma penalty, ne? So you can stop ukuthi win through ama goals nje not ama penalty. Yini can stopping?
Azani ngakasho nawe uqale sisijela abaningi. Yeah. But yeah,
so kicking into anything right yini lento niyikhulumile ku change room and the implementer on the field and the yearly yanikeza a successful goal. How did you find the opposing team? Was it like challenging or wabona frikidi like
as much as
before I want two things from you. But word of the day, and then motivation for defense. For defense, it's how Libana Babanya.
Sure. Stop the DJ. Stop the man. Can the DJ put up on the DJ for Allah when I scout the seven bolo? One and over 12. Kept just keeping to learning the principal. One in Calibona on the scout.
Congratulations once again.
Achibana Waka is a food.
Uyayazi le pain leyo ukuthi ubhejela i-team uyibheje ukuthi win or draw idliwe vesikubona ukuthi we mari advice zolgayo yona bafethu ukuthi nenzeni nize ground izobukela ikasi football nekubuya le bhola lase TV man liyangidlisa nje lanti depress. By the way ngiphethe uBruno la, if you don't know him you're gonna know him by a force. But kuyabheka ke ngizomiyeka umjida introduce khona manje lami ngicela uzi-introduce ngegama lakho lamampela isibongo usho nokuthi uphuma va udlalela iphi team.
Alright, ngithanda ukubonga lethuba leli eningigalona na. Ngegama ngubokang Madiyehe, also known as Akanji. Ngibuya eSlovo Park, informal settlement yase-Eldorado Park. Sure.
Team oyidlalelayo.
Ngidlalela i-Fire Sniper.
So usitshele ngo-Akanji. U-Akanji ekukhuleni kwakhe uqale kanjani ukudlala ibhola? Yini le kumotivateile ukuthi uqale ukudlala le game lesibiza ngedisk?
I think ezintweni encane ekhulele kasi ngikhule nje ngilithanda idisk ngokubukela ama-Hotman adlala. So uthando lusuke lapho then yeah.
So mawuqala udlala ibhola ubani le player lelo libonile ukuthi yazini yili player ngizolithatha as role model yami le ekukhuleni kwami ngikhule vele ngibukela kuye?
Yeah, eshizoba fani nyana ngoba mina ngidefender mara ngikhule ngithanda uTekomdise namanye sathanda yena so yeah uTekomdise role model yami.
So le gama lika Akanji libuya because Akanji siyamazi ukuthi defender madlala ku Man City maku Inter Milan so kwenzeke kanjani bakubize ngo-Akanji le gama libuya phi kubeni uthanda uTeko?
Yazi angazi ukukhuluma iVarna mara I think ama spectator ngayilo gama from there lahlala yeah.
So ezukena Grootman lami ukuthi udlala ekasi ne-pressure ibhaya abantu babhaya bazokubukela nebazokcriticize so u-Akanji uprepare kanjani for ama game and uhandlela kanjani i-pressure?
I think kuya ngokumature every game uyakhula uma uyiplayer especially la ekasi la uyazi ukuthi khona umuntu osuke endlini osiphanisa imali yakhe yesinkwa angathengi isinkwa segranweni azobukela wena so i-criticism eluyithathe either way it's either uyakhula or wena ubhekisa ikhanda phansi kuphuma kuwe mara mina ngistrong I think ngistrong enough ukuthi i-criticism ngayithatha yeah
because i-team yakho idlalile along the way yazama ukufika kuba last four icatha ukudliwa manje for i-third place so yini into like coach makanitshela yona throughout the yonke le tournament ukuze nifike la nikhona?
Yeah, I think usitshela ukuthi nje sibelieve ukuthi nje I think we must believe in ourselves yeah otherwise yena usikaye yonke into sekuphuma ukuthi senzani ngayo le opportunity so yeah sure thanks.
And yazini lo mjita lona nemost yena abazi ukuthi udlalile noNemtajela yabo uNemtajela lo nimbona ku Pirates umjita mokuyi teammate yakhe yabo but ke thina socanga kumbona e-TV but umjita uzosbriefa ngayo so awusitshele ngale ngwenya le uNemtajela since udlale naye as teammate wam describe as like umuntu onjani?
Yazine ukukhuluma kuzoba ngathi ngenza ifavor or ngobe out yami yabo makuntangeni ublind bonke bayazi bonke yabo ama-Hotman nonke azokutshela nala emastendeni intwana la eblind leya intwana encane enenhliziyo enkulu ayisubnext ukuthi wena ubani ubuyaphi akasubnext yeah.
Yeah, nami ngibona umuntu onjalo because angeke udlale ku Pirates the next thing ku squad surely nama South African bambona ukuthi umjita la khona le space akusi yas deserve so wena Grootman lami ku pro side usupporta yipi team?
South Africa
yeah la eMzansi and abroad
mina ngisupport iKhosi Grootman
abroad
Man City.
So uchekile i-log standing ku PSL uthi me kanjani iphi team ehamba phambili?
Orlando Pirates ephezulu mara izinto zingatshintsha yabo ngoba basazodlala neKaizer Chiefs basazodlala right 2 so 6 points ngayithatha mina.
Ngayithatha 6 points. You know one thing I love about the Pirates yakufundisa ngelife ukuthi ungacala kancane abantu bakuhleka izinto zakho zikhuphuke because abajita first 3 games bayidliwe cabanga bheka manje top ku league so yeah wena kumele uthathe advice yakho ufunde ngePirates ufila kanjani ngelo neperformance eKaizer Chiefs right now and yini into ongathanda ukuyichange ngeteam yakho efavorayo?
I think siyadlala mara shota nje ngeluck yeah ayikho into ongayichange ma decision nje amajita kumele nje abe serious azi ukuthi ni ajabulisa South Africa yonke as a whole ngikhulumela namabhakani Chiefs amiwinile wonke umuntu ajabula ngisho nawe mina ngiyajabula.
So wena uthola i-position center back ne? Left back. So since udlala left back ne uKaizer Chiefs mawubhekile ungaba yi-starter or bangakushaya ngebench?
Ukhosi nyambeka ngaphandle angeke hayi ma-Hotman labantu laba nokuthi bavayisa uMashiyane okay wenza ama-mistake amancane ne mara uMashiyane for mina ngiyamprefer angakhula yeah
just udinga abantu abatrend eduze kwakho
yeah
so intwana encane edlala ibhola ekasi ungayi-advise uthini?
Abafethu dlalani ibhola abafethu machita ne lithande lizokuthanda as much as okay discipline singakhuluma ngayo sibaningi sithi ba discipline nani mara munenhlanhla mekuyakho can sharp yabo dlala idisk nje lithande lizokuthanda back
njalo Grootman. Siyabonga for isikhathi sakho Grootman lami ne.
Bonga mina njalo. Sure. Thank you.
nami ngiyajuluka guys kuyashisa ubheka ngapha ilontuza eyashisa guys ngiyajuluka nawe ngeke uhlala ungajuluki siphethe icoach yeteam ewinayo mina vele ngitshelile nani ukuthi always do with the winning team. Coach, please introduce yourself to our viewers wethu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which team do you coach?
Ulinda Ngubeni okhuluma naye coach weHlanganani.
Coach, tell us about today's game. It was a very tough one. How did you find the whole game?
No, yabona ngendlela abafana badlale ngakho le game. Bangichazile noma bebekhathele ngoba sike saqala sawudlala lephezulu eLombatha game yakhona yokuqala. Kodwa manje kwathola ukuthi mabefika la ngababona bakhathele namasabam kwathola ukuthi awekho right. So kodwa igame ngendlela esiwine ngayi ngithokozisile abafana bathembisa ukubonakala ukuthi hayi amadoda ayanqoba empini.
So imapha amazi obanikeza bona ucabanga ukuthi aba encourage ukuthi banga give up even though bakhathele kodwa babe nawo amandla ukuthi baqhubeke bakunise coach.
Yeah, noma ngikwatile bayazi mina vele always ngihleze ngikwatile ngibatshelile igame mayiqala ukuthi bafethu siluzile igame lephezulu nadlala icup yokugcina lephezulu. So njengamanje sekumele sithole le cup noma kanjani sekuyona cup esesifane siyithole noma kanjani le. La ngempela kusho ukuthi ngendlela engithema ngibatshela ngabazusile bayibona le ndaba ukuthi hayi ngempela iyadingeka le cup uba vele sesivalile vele lephezulu so bese kusele yona le cup esiyitholile. So siyajabula ukuthola le cup esikhundleni sokuthi ngoba besothatha ama cup ayi2 so siluzile le sesijabula ukuthola le cup namhlanje. Ngendlela abadlale ngayo ngithokoze kakhulu futhi nabo babonile ngoba namhlanje bengashawuthina kakhulu ngendlela engibone ngayo ngoba bebethayathe vele bona.
Shuthi coach muba shawuta vele bayenza lento ekumele bayenze.
Mangibashawuta ngempela kuyanyiwa hayi igame ngempela bayilwa ngempela nje wabona nje ngoba ngakhipha le first game yoMaiman Phiri wayibonela wawubhekile nawe yakangilwa lapha emfuleni. So ngendlela namhlanje ngibatshela abafowethu asamele silwe ngoba vele asesiqedile ngale game asuneni le game sithatheni le cup sobe siqedile.
So obvious if maybe team it doesn't perform kahle even though ngathi we perform kahle there's going to be pressure from our supporters in. So how do you handle the pressure when as a coach and how do you think it impacts team yakho?
No ngendlela okwenzeka ngayo ngihlezi ngibatshela ngithi ibhola linjalo ibhola is win or lose so ngeke ubheke ukuthi uzohlala uwina njalo. So iyona into engibaduduza ngayo lokho uma kwenza ukuthi mhlasimbe sidlalile igame wathola siyaluza fanele bebheke nakhona siluze kanjani kwenzakala ngisize siluze. So uma uzokwazi ukubheka ukuthi uluze kanjani egamini angeke uhlale une stress uzohlela uright ngoba kuba nama consequences egamini. Yes.
Okay. No so nombuzo nje nyana nje ofana ukuthi ku PSL na coach ufavor iphi team?
Ufavor iKhosi, Khosi for life amakhosi.
Ama player wakho ayi3 na favorite players?
Inkunzi yeplayer lami uNgcobo. Bese kuzoba uMabuwa. Yabona njengamanje ngiyaphayizisa ngoba namacoach ami lapha kuIKhosi aphayiza kakhulu. If mina bengikhona la ngabe ngishaya wonke amagame. Ngabe ngishaya amagame 1 by 1. Kodwa njengamanje ngokuthi vele anginaso angikwazi ukuthola lelo thuba lokuthi ngivele lapha ngenze izinto ngendlela yami. Ngiyayibona intwana uvelakazi i-right incane mara sesuke bathatha ithemba belibeke kuyo kunabantu abadala abakhona ebholeni. So yona intwana i-right mara angeke sithathe ithemba sibeke enganeni.
Manje okay kulama player wakho i3 start 1 bench 1 sell 1. Coach.
Come again.
Start 1, sell 1, bench 1.
Inzima le.
Inzima.
Ale inzima le. Ale inzima for mina le.
Okay, so ngeke uzuyiphendula.
Lo ngeke ngikhona ukuyiphendula le.
So uyalibona itafula ukuthi lime kanjani?
Yeah.
Itafula. Ibaphi laba bale phezulu konje? Konje ibaphi laba bale phezulu?
Ibhakaniya.
Okay, fika kanjani? Iphatha kanjani wena?
Ibhakaniya kuhluphi. Umjaho webhakaniya kusunto ehluphayo. Just uthi iKhosi ngoba kusese ukuthi nje sacicizwa kwamanje. Kodwa kwebhakaniya kusuhlupha kube bekuthiwa iSundowns ehambela lapha phezulu yabe ngizoqala ukuba nestress. So ibhakaniya abangani bami lami ngisazobafikela isikhathi eside.
So
amakhosi amahle la.
Kula game la wayithu esodlala nabo. Iscore sakho mo predictor wena predictor kanjani?
iKaizer Chiefs nebhakaniya. Obviously ngiyabanyathela bayazi.
Uyanyathela ibhakaniya.
Ngivale ngabo ngizovula ngabo.
Awungeke kho.
Ngivale ngebhakaniya ngizovula ngabo.
Yala.
Uzoyibuka lento engisho ngithi. Ungibuze. Yakuthi coach Linda Ngubeni nakho sekunjalo asibheje.
Siyabheja.
Ubheja nga?
Ngibheja ngeke. Thingibothe ngithi 500.
500. Mina ngithi asenze noma 1000.
Okay coach. Siyabheja.
Yeah, siyabheja. Sengizokubamba ke. Sengizozwa ngakho.
No, once again congratulations kuwini yenu and thank you so much for your time.
Sibonge kakhulu siyabonga abafowethu. Sibonge kakhulu ngendlela okwenzeke ngayo amaMaiman Phiri ngathi ngaqhubeka vela kanje aliveze ithuba lokuthi kudlala ama Masters sizokwazi ukuba nethuba lokuqhubeka sidlala amabhola.
Thank you.
Ayabonayo manje ngiphethe ontanga bami manje intanga zami ama masters abantu abadlala abakhulele ebholweni baliyeka futhi abalekanga basaqhubeka yabo badala siyalingana usibona sila siphethe into esindayo la angazile siphethe la kuthi nani phakathi angazi but yeah uyabona ukuthi lento liphethwe ama champion yabo simeka ama champion but ke ngizoyeka ama Grootman wama introduce asho ukuthi babo bani Grootman lami ngizoqala ngawe captain ucaptain ne
Angeke kwa manje sengayiyeka leyo nto le nto captain ayingayeka kudala sengadedela nabo
hayi okay Grootman ngizoqala ngawo uzintroduce usho ukuthi ubani wakwabani uphumaphi and usho igama le team lo idlalelayo
mina ngusiphango kaNgcobo isibongo mfethu phuma ngala Lady Smith angiphuma ngakhona lo mala Alexander
igama le team
angidlalele hlanganani
so wena Grootman akudinge ukuthi introduce i-team uzosho ukuthi ubani wakwabani and uphumaphi
hayi mina ngusifiso wakhumalo ngiphuma kwaHlabisa
okay so Grootman njengandlala ibhola amathambo because uyazi masumdala amathambo ayaqina abantu abafana nani sebekhulile badlala ibhola niziprepare kanjani niyajima noma angazi kahle but niziprepare kanjani ukuthi ngikwazi ukudlala ibhola iminyaka seyikhulile
mina yazi ngakusho bra wami ukuthi kuya ngawe ne ukuthi kwenzala nisikhulile sasibana ngisho kodwa manje ngithi kumele uyicabangele wena since wazi ukuthi noma umdala vele zonke izinto ziya ngokuluza ngithi yasenzani shaw umdraft then weekend singene kwi training yabo Saturday kuphela because ma Sunday vele so always siyadlala yabo dlala league manje always dlala sifit
so na Grootman lami ebudaleni bakho uzilungiselela kanjani ama game ukuthi uqhubeke ukwazi ukugijima
hayi mina sonke umuntu uthola lelo chance leyo esithola isikhathi oba siyasebenza masithola leso sikhathi esitholayo umuntu ushaya umgwaqo kwazi ukuthi ngeweekend ke silahlangana khona sijime ngama Saturday ekseni
so asibelene ebuncaneni benu msaqala ukudlala ibhola yini into yanikhuthaza ama Grootman ukuthi nidlale ibhola and ubala umdlali bedlala ibhola umconsider as role model yakho
eish bra wami mina into yangenza ukuthi ngalingeke nje kuze kube manje bra indaba ngiyitheke kakhulu yabo because ngibuyile ngala kwiBakania 2009 ngibuya khona laphana kwi-development yakhona so ngaphatheka kabi kabuhlungu kodwa ke angizange ngithi then lento ngiyayiyeka because very into engiyithandayo ngithola senjobo lo ngiyibambile nje kanje
so iplayer leli bedlala ibhola mubukela phansi kwalo ubani ku-professional
yo bra wami yambona umbulelo
Mabizela
Mabizela leya bra wami
waspez udlalile ngomodeli
bra wami ukuthi nje siyazenzela ukuthi izinto zihambe ngenye indlela ngithola kodwa mfowethu leya player mndiya study
so wena Grootman lami yini into eyakenza ukuthi like i-role model yakho ubunayo
umuntu kumele ngibukelekena kakhulu uThabo Mngomeni obedlalela ePirates yena ngibukele kakhulu kuyena yena umuntu mangidlala nami ngifuna ukwenza njengaye
so ama Grootman lami ngicela ubuye so ama Grootman ne ku pro side unsupporta mapha ama team
mina mfuthu ezimnyama ezikaMagebhule futhi ngeke ngiyeke bro
nawe ngiyagesa engicabangile
angeke futhi
so currently kubafana ku Orlando Pirates ne kulama player khona ku Orlando Pirates yeliphi iplay lingadlaleli iPirates ongathanda lijoin i-team
engathanda ukuthi join i-team ayibra mbona ngazathi njengamanje kusesecovered lapha kuthafu lapha kuthafu lapha bro tough lapha nakufuneka umfana omncane bro ziyabuya lapha kumele wazi istory sakho uma uyodlalela le team leya
wena Grootman iliphi iplay ongathanda lijoin i-Pirates ngekho ku Pirates
njengamanje obakhamba umbokazi umuntu emangamthanda mina mhlawumbe bemthathu Molisane lowe Stellenbosch Molisane ngathanda
so Grootman njenganibona ukuthi ibafana iyodlala iAfcon ne kulo December lo iliphi iplay ngekho bafana engathanda ukuthi bekhona lo represent South Africa
obvious mfethu yazi into engayikhuluma mina njani inkinga lento because abantu lapha i-position bayishare nga 4 ama players yabo okay fine uLodge vele olwesamdinga vele ngiyacabanga ukuthi yena umuntu eshoda ngayo njengamanje
Lodge
obvious
so
obvious
but le position yabo ithanda ba critical
ilokho into engisho ukuthi kuthafu kodwa manje ngithi umuntu nomuntu kumele uqinise into yakho ukuze ubonakale simple
but I think uLodge usilele enough so ukuthi ke i-decision ka coach but ngesimphikisi so na Grootman iliphi play ongathanda bekhona ku squad
ayi okwamanje hayi ngibona ku right squad team ngibona nje ku right kakhulu akekho umuntu engathi mina akakhethwe njengamanje ngibona ku right kakhulu
njenganibona ukuthi ku PSL iPirates team ni favor isabamba iumbrella ngokubona kwakho uyayithatha le league
hayi futhi angeke ngithi uzoyithatha ne futhi ngizophikisana naloko ukuthi neyibamba iumbrella kusangenzeka noma ngayini njengamanje akakaphila ngithi league kusangenzeka noma ngayini kodwa yona hayi mina ngiyayithemba lezami ngiyayithemba lezi ziyazi ukuthi ifunani bheka zenzani suka phansi abanye besethe ababanikwe lento yabo ne bakephi manje ibhola indlela ibhola lingakhona bro
ngakho manje iPirates ayithatha league
obvious lo season ngithi ayithatha mina ayithatha straight
so Grootman ithi ngibuyele kwesinzo wena uthi udlalile kuBhakaniya ne ngicela size abadlali especially intwana ezincane ezidlala ibhola abanye bayile ku ProSide babuya inhlozo zababhlungu since nawo omunye walobo bantu abayile babona ukuthi kwenzakalani babuya yini lento eyamosheka eyakubuyisa ukuthi ungafiki la ufuna ukufika khona ubuye la and intwana ungayigay advise uthini ukuze ukwazi ukuqhubekela phambili ifike kuplay ku ProSide vele ingene iphelele
azin pro ithi ngikutshele no noma ngangenanga lapha kwi professional ne ngigcinela kuma development kodwa ke entwaneni ezisakhula njengamanje sesisesikhathini esibhedayo ne isikhathini sento esheshayo uyamanje yabo nokuyitshela ukuthi wena uyazi yabo lokho asikubeke eceleni ukuthi uyazi akufocus entweni wena owazi ukuthi yini oyifunayo njengamanje entwaneni ezisafuna vele ukukhula akehlukane nalezi zinto ezinye lezi ezokwazi ukuthi zibakhubaze kunezinto ezikhubaza umzimba bro kunezinto ezikukhipha emqondweni walento loyifuna
ngiyacabanga Grootman masikhuluma ngezinto ezikhubaza abadlali niyazazi noyithu ngicela ungimentionele zona izinto ezikhubaza abadlali lezi ezibamoshelayo ibhola yini lezi ezibamoshayo
utshwala ukubhema yikho nje ama drugs kuphela bakhubaza
ngathi khona ikhohliwe Grootman amantombazana wabala
ya amantombazana awesithathu
kunalento le
umuntu uthola ukuthi ujimile bese entombazaneni ngakusasa ayikhanta yenza
and abaye bakwazi kuyimosha leyo gym ayithi bathi igym iyangena yaphuma uyayifaka uyayikhipha kunalento ukuthi mhlambe uma umdlali uhamba uyojima ngiyangizwa Grootman kwalento ukuthi uma umdlali uhamba uyojima ubuye uthi ebusuku lele wedwa kube khona into oyenzayo u1 ayibamosha ama player wamosha ama player yona
ayingeke kwa ama emotion player leyo nto le ayayimosha
bamele baqhubeke
ngayo siyona into engipromote
sengizwe ukuthi mele baqhubeke
ngaqhubeka futhi akusiyona into engipromote ukuthi yenzeke leyo nto le yabo hayi le mpahla le yashawa bro yazi shaye lokho
uyayishaya Grootman
sha bro wami namanje bheka kwenzakalani ngivuke kuyo
namhlanje hayi wena uvuke ngayo namhlanje waperform
right
amaraya ishuthi right mpahla cause kunali cup niluwinile
so ni gym yakhe shuthi iyamkhuthaza
wena Grootman wayeka
ayingayeka
qeda manje
angishaya ngayeka
kamu behind ama camera uthini wena somdala so Grootman any word of the day for abashana nomuntu obukela omdala bangathi nyabadelela
ay ngibonge nje kakhulu bonke umuntu nje ade khona ukukhuthaza abalokho abadlali abancane basebancane ukuthi hayi bekhule beyiqoqe beyigweme into engasini beqhubeka nje nokujima belandele umthetho wase grounding umuntu uyothola impilo lapha
right of the day Grootman
mfethu yazini nazobonga nje kakhulu supporters abefikile ngibonga i-tournament indlela ehambe ngayo kusaqala kwamnandi everything njengamanje mfethu asiphatheni kahle bafethu December sesemakhaya sifike sisafe ebantwaneni abazalini emnandi
nwazile ama Grootman anifisela ukudla guys sisingena uDecember so into emele niyenze nina niziphathe kahle the only way to do that guys ukuthi nize kasi nizobukela ibhola nizobukela amashibobo angena yiye happiness enizoyithola leyo okunye nokunye kekeni danko siyabongela ama Grootman so So guys, ngidecide ukuthi ngicala ngishaya i-pre-match la yangithola. I-confident yalabantu ngiyayisaba. So ngicale ngaloko uBruno bathini bathi bona hayi, uMutagasi bazoyihlaba yangithola. So uMutagasi ngifuna ukuyiza ithini because last time manginawo bangitshela ukuthi iBruno bazoyishaya. Labantu badlala i-final namhla yangithola. So ithi sibezwe Mutagasi yeye. Mutagasi yeye. Mutagasi yeye. Ayichubeke lapha.
Okay. Mutagasi yeye. Batrini yeye. Batrini yeye. Zamaro.
Mbazuyile guys, nabona i-energy la. So yeah, Grootman lami since namhla iMutagasi idlala i-final, ufila kanjani ilanga la namhlanje?
Yeah, namhlanje I don't lose. I'm a winner.
Yeah.
I'm a winner. Always winning.
Yeah.
We are the champ.
Yeah.
Phillies game.
Yeah.
We were there.
Yeah.
You know, even you yourself. You know.
I was there.
You was there.
I was there.
Yes.
Yes.
So just say Mutagasi here. Mutagasi here. Samuruma hanga. Siyambana le cup.
Yeah, nabana le cup. Imali le tournament.
What's
225,000.
Imali ni?
Snack set le mali 225,000.
So manual le tournament la ipi tournament onoyilanda after
Sibhayi.
Champ of champs.
Sasa champ of champs siyaya. Saya no sashanguve. Sasa khona sinabo. Yeah.
Aniya Davidson.
Oh, sinado. Siyathatha.
Nasedebele sisala.
Number zonke le ndawo.
Imoto entshontsha imali, yonke ubona imali siyathatha.
So since nizodlala i-final iliphi play obhekile lizonikorela kuMutagasi?
Hey, uyazi. Hey, mangi mabheka labo bafana basimisele nabo. Basimisele.
Bayifuna imali.
Bayifuna. Momela bathola ibonus.
Sino Blackberry?
Ufuna imali le yakho.
Usho Blackberry?
Cash contact Blackberry uyayithatha le.
PlayStation? PlayStation is there?
Yeah. Masina ashisa ni.
Machaba.
Kana shisa ne? Kana shisa. So ansab ukuthi ngadliwa kule tournament.
Never. Man ngazofila kanjani? No wina 3-0. Yo.
Problem ngeke basiphe yona mahala.
Yeah.
Mare yethu.
Sizoyithatha kahle kahle uyeshawela ndoda. Abanye babuye evenda baze namhlanje bazolenda imali. Uyazi distance from evenda to la uzodliwa la siyayithatha.
Angicelani ne? Ngicela ukuthi izwela nwini or indliwe ningangibaleki because noma endliwe ngizoza la kini nginibuza.
Hayi, mawubuya ngewini musi. Mawubuya ngewini musi. Uzobamba ikapu nami. Uzolibamba ikapu nami.
Ngizolibamba nani?
Uzolibamba ikapu nami.
Kukanani ikapu?
No, uzolibamba ikapu nami.
Any team winner, any team.
China.
Team.
Okay, can we just sing one song?
I think okay, before Nkula, I think bonile le ku Makam. I-10-10 ithathilo i-final ne?
Yes, yeah.
So, azini iwisham ne, ngitshela uchairman ukuthi angicelele i-single game noma 10-10 ufuna ukubona something. Ufuna something.
Asithukwanga sibasale.
Amasali. Awushayi number lapho.
Zongotiniwa rona tabane redo.
Hayi zongotiniwa rona tabane redo. Hayi redo bulaya moto ane baredo. Hayi zongotiniwa rona tabane redo. Hayi redo bulaya moto
nihamba Rodman la nithi nitheni una ngakho iscore ngifuna bezwe kahle lapha ya
Eka change 3-0
3-0 hayi bazwile guys bathi 3-0 bathi 3-0 so ya kuma comment ngimele wena lapho uphendule ngizokutshela bebadliwe ngizokutshela mabawinile bathi sibheke 3-0
Ngizokhala isigubhu namhlanje ngizokhala isigubhu sinesinanyisongo sorry kancane so manuwina le mali noyenzani siyasineka raynyana like 20,000 for snack 20,000 for snack nyama sidlala lapha soyidlala eFlorida Lake
can you invite guys I'll be there
yeah umele uze now
sharp nyabonga ne Rodman sharp ngizoba khona
next year sidlala 1 million
sharp angizoba khona sharp aya kukho lula khona bayikapile khona bayilandile ndangeke silande sonke ichamp izoba yi1 mangibethe ama fans weBruno fan number 1 ngizocala ngayo Rodman lami ngibuya ngalo umtagasi bathi hayi nanikhaphile bayithatha wena ufila kanjani ngalokho
banama yithi sithatha samba na yethu le dala sifuna
bathi nikhaphile Rodman
sikhaphanga le eyethu le
niyabasabana
asibasabi siyabafuna
niyabasabana
asibasabi siyabafuna
bathini bathi final score ku final bangishaya 3-0 wena uthini ngalokho
sibashaya 5 thina siyabahlaba
5 bani
5-0
nogola bakora
bakora nje bandluli
niyasiza isikole siphumala bathi abantu bashaya 5 uthi bashanga
baziyo ebazangela
ayibona abazange bayibona abazange bayibona abazange bayibona abazange bayibona iBruno le abayaziyo abazange bayibona iBruno le abayaziyo abazange bayibona abazange bayibona abazange bayibona
bathukile kumanje bathukile kumanje
bathukiwe
bayazi asikho baningi mara zibaningi egroundini
bani egroundini kanti ningaka egroundini
siyoyenza lento le
mani unale tournament niyoyenzani le mali
siyayenza lento
le mali noyenzani mani unale tournament
kahle I think the money is going to go back into the team, grow impact the team. We're more focused on assisting growing this team. It's a beautiful team. We want to see it go further. This tournament is one of those tournaments that we always wanted to win. We've been participating and we're so fortunate at the moment to reach this stage. So I don't think once you reach this stage, you want to like let this opportunity go for us to reinvest in the club. So the main goal is to reinvest in the club and see us go further and then come back again here next year and then take it again next year so we can grow the club. That's the main goal, growing the club.
Abanje mama viyazi wamakasazi isilungu ukhuluma isiZulu nyamxolisela Rodman enisay ongayisho enisay hayi Bruno yawina
umntakazi awuqishe umntakazi
so Manuel tournament noyenzani le mali
usalotishile
mina ngifuna ukwazi Manuel tournament noyenzani le mali
no si focus kakhulu ku development yalaba fana laba and then maba wina le tournament kuyibo bazoyenza no orithi wina hapa riko zama u build that team yenu and ichi wina ndi zwithu zwa team and zoruka zwavhuḓi
ayinoma engamzwanga guys ne it's fine abanye bazomuzwa mina ngikuzwanga so Rodman ngicela ungitshela ngeBruno le team iBruno i team yakwiliphi ikasi
Bruno, it's a mixed team, my brother. So you wouldn't say. So I would say here in Alexandra, we're mainly based in Alexandra, but then we also have players from Tembisa, from Bill Park. Yes, so it's all those kind of things. So we fluid in and diverse, like the way the team is built. So we wouldn't say like we're only based in Alexandra, but then it's a thing of like let's take players from different townships, let's put them all together. But so like there's a bit of diversity in our team.
So since approach December, you know what December my tournament manning. Imaba makasi Bruno wadlala kulo December.
So at the moment siwinile izolo eTembisa, so we are futhi eTembisa, and then we're gonna go back. Kunamanye ama tournament ayichuso wadlala eLimpopo. We play festive assistant tournament in Limpopo ayichuso. iBrunei tournament yayo sibiza SBC Shibe games in Limpopo, so we're gonna be participating in that one, and then there's another one in Limpopo that we're gonna be participating in.
Ay mara mina ngokubona kwami labantu laba ngathi umoya wabo uphansi ngathi bathuki cabanga mawuthu ungadlali what about mawuphakathi ngani energy man.
This thing is simple. Umtakasi thina Eskom sicima anytime
muthina siyacima
yithi sicontrolayo la yithi siwaphethe la lawo
ona bacima
sibacima vele
so ngicela ukuthi makuphela igame ngibuye ngizoshaya post match nani where ndiwe or inwinile
hayi sikhona ngawara
asibaleki asibasabi siyabafuna
so ubani iPremier League ku Bruno elizobanika inkinga la
hayi wonke ama player wethu ashay ubheke wonke ama team
hayi niyabona ukuthi iBruno dangerous bathi wonke umuntu bambhekile, so anyone can score, even goalkeeper baba uzwile bathi bonke even ne support alingakora ngikora nonke ligele ground lilikore
ngakora nami
nawe I'll njani angizobuya makrotman ngiyabonga ne shaya inamba yokugcina before ngivaya shaya inamba yokugcina
Bruno le abayaziyo abazange bayibona
Bruno le
abayaziyo abazange bayibona abazange bayibona abazange bayibona abazange bayibona abazange bayibona iBruno le abayaziyo abazange bayibona.
Nyabonga makrotman ne shab makrotman
abazange bayibona.
Hey nani niyazibonela bandla Nkosi yami guys, ngishoda mina nale yami vele ezimnyama mara hey bazongitshela ukuthi bafila kanjani since yabomos mara it's fine. Please cela nizintroduce kuma viewers wami ukuthi ningabobani bakwabani.
Nakalibitse ke Tumelo George. Thabo
Mang
Thabo Slabela.
Yes. So li fila jwang ka di games that today. How did you guys find the games? And when my brother you were saying ukuthi ubudlala lana, and unfortunately you guys didn't win. So how were the games?
Game in the sharp and ne ke ntwe sharp ya di games tsena because e khona go tlosa batjha distracting ya batlisa ba tlo shebella monana, and then no re le bona in future ba tlo khona go bapala di game tsena. Kanto now nna ke bona le ntwe ntle ba etsiwang ke phiri mona.
Okay.
Yeah, the game so far the right, and it's a good thing to have more games, more Alex, so that re khona go keep abaswa mo strateng re der check the game. So it's a good thing this thing.
So aribueng ka Sundowns li lam 2-2 li li Pirates the big ones, you know, most the Giants li fila jwang ka table ya rona?
Pirates re sa ka dimme fela re ne dulenyana hore nane no khona go gutla kwa Africa, and then re tlo khona go ka space sa rona ene o ska lo bala gore sana le one game in hand.
Yeah, the Pirates is just holding an umbrella for us, so we are coming back to take what's belong to us.
Guys, in mina inkinga yami ukuthi like yabo ngithanda ukukhuluma kakhulu, ke rata gore ho bonagale mos a ke re la tlhaloganya. So game ela e re tlo bapala le Chiefs, score prediction
Chiefs 2-0.
Pirates.
Yeah, itsia ne.
Yeah.
Guys, niyabona ukuthi nabo laba bala nedu ukuthi manje abafuna ukusho. Okay, so far
no guy wena.
Kana nakimo ki once and always na my blood is black. Yes.
What pretend ka sa lose?
Na ki span, it's work related so yeah. So the games like, do you guys think ukuthi afela my games lawa when it comes to age cheating, the referee, the fans and the owners?
I didn't hear you clearly.
Oh, I'm asking if do you think lama game lawa affair when it comes to referee, the players, the tournament hosts?
Yeah, so far so good. I think already fair. Yeah. Expect that last game, it was Bruno and Skepe.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, that one I think it was more critical and there were more difficulties towards that game.
Why?
So even though I even saw the fans were coming to the referee, the linemen were frustrated about some little issues.
Okay.
So far so good, but it's good. It's cool.
Okay.
nna ke bona hore di referee di le fair ntho ngwe lengwe ke bona ile fair for side in laka and the way by organize tseng ka teng ntho ngwe lengwe perfect o twa ka ntle o kena ka hare everything is santsane le sharp for side laka
no ke a leboga for nako ya lona le buhele game mo before li favorite team tse fing mo ko Bruno li Mutakas. Okay, no Chebile, which one is going to take the final?
The orange one.
Mutakas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, supporter Bruno Mara.
Mutakas is taking it.
Yeah.
Guys, but we're going to find out which you guys going to stay tuned. No, thank you so much for your time. Likabuela Mara, once and always le itmos. Hola mtutu.
Ja, maar vet op die groot mannen daar, ja, bo. Zo groot mannen die 5 Bruno lag het tournament en 5 Manchester United en die captain yake ku Manchester United u Bruno. Maybe na igama lakho Bruno ngeke sazi. So groot mannen lami ngizoke ku introduce igama lakho nangesibongo usho ukuthi uphuma va.
Igama lami nguMoses, ngiphuma eJimisini eGutopu. Ngifave Bruno, ngifave menu. Ngiyazifela vele nguBruno Fernandes captain ye-team yabo. So since fere namhlanje sidlala ifinal Alex si Bruno. Ngithi ngibe khona ngizosupport amajita.
So since you support abajita and okwamanje yabona akuvai grand score 1-0 half time. So yini oyibonayo so far egamini ongayilungisa ukuthi i-team yakhe ishaye comeback?
So far ku first half ayikho into wrong esenzile, sibene mistake nyana thizeni basiphanisha ngokuthi bashaye cross yabo. But for mina ku first half I think Bruno sikaye too much respect imdakasi yabo. Sikaye space isadlalela amabhola wethu too deep than ukuthi swadlalele ku half ye Bruno. Kanti kube sidlalela ku half ye Bruno besokwazi ukuthi scapitalize kuba mistake ayenziwa ile team le umdakasi instead of ukuthi sidlalele fatu amaphola smile score kuwona.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So okay, since the tournament iqalile I'm sure mo walandelela ama game we Bruno. So mau rate ama team adlale against iBruno kule tournament. Iphi team egaye iBruno tough time including the team abadlala nayo ifinal.
iBruno igame ebethafu ile last game besidlala ye-semi final.
Sure. Menzala against.
Besidlala against iSkepe Nketule. Yeah, that was a tough game because iSkepe mangathi yasibheka most of the time sinama player ama individual brilliant, you understand? Ama player anga change game at any moment, you understand? Ama player ukuthi wona nama self character, I believe very good self. So thina si iBruno we have to ukuthi maintain play iBruno, si maintain ama character wa machita individually. Si maintain nama blind spot we escape Nketule, sorry to say iBruno. But so far so good game ngathi be tough futhi.
Better for nina ne. So okay Grootman Lam, I know une believe ukuthi nizoyishaya comeback ne. If let's say kuyenzeka nishaya comeback, expect ukuthi ningabuya ngangakhi score?
I 2-1 right.
2-1 correct.
Yeah, 2-1 right. Game 2-10 prasemzini, understand? Anyone uzokwenza mistake lapho bazocapitalize ngayo.
So when
I do believe ukuthi masaba ne character more into second half singawini.
So when uba mone chance ukuba lapha ya, yini into mongayi advise coach for amachita?
Into benga advise coach mina for amachita wami ukuthi masingena ku second half because it's the last game of the tournament.
Sure.
There's no more another day ukuthi sopina sidlala iphire, understand? Mina benga change formation engidlala ngayo. Ngihambe nga 2 phambili, ngidlale nga 3 emuva, ngidlale nga 5 center, but ngidlale ngama wing forward wami, ngadlale ngama back forward wami. Ngenzela ukuthi i-deep 6 yami ngazo zonke isikhathi imdakasi mayidlala. Mayizodlala ama long ball from deep 6 kube yiyencovera kuwo wonke position. But manga pressa imdakasi ngeformation yami ukuthi add more numbers in front, singabuya ne 2-1.
Niyalibona iGrootman ngathi ngama tactics lintswembi yabo. Maybe ngaba grand for the team oyifavor ku pro side ayilungisi thathi league. So Grootman ku pro side eMzansi ufavor yipi club?
Ufavor Kaizer Chiefs Putomtala.
Okay, Kaizer Chiefs. So I think ubonile ilog kuthi khambani ku PSL. Yipi team on top manje right now?
Pirates Putomtala.
Ufila kanjani ngaloko?
Angifile kamnandi Putomtala because team yaselokishini yabona ama rivals. Angifile kamnandi, angifuna ukuzifila ukuthi every time mangihamba ngiKaizer Chiefs kube yimingwenya ngoba vele ngingwenya yaseMzansi.
Yeah, so nama ubhekile Pirates yayithatha ileague this season or isachayi umbrella.
Angeke ithathe Pirates mara ngithi but angisho ukuthi they don't doing very well ne. But they are doing very well, bayadlala ngespeed sabo nama player nama individual brilliant la banawo through ama pocket spaces none. But I don't think bazokwazi ukuthi bay maintain lento le season yonke because league is too far.
So asikhulume ngekef. Mawubhekile iChiefs yaphunyuka lapha ya ku knockout.
Chiefs siyabuya mfana kithi, siyabuya. Honest siyabuya mfana kithi. Kahle kwayona le kef iyasiphazamisa mfana kithi because mangathi yabheka siyadlala mara sinama injury. Yabo. So mangasinzeka sithola amanye ama injury more sibedlala le tournament. Then kuzoba chaos kule position esihleli kuyo. Singazithola sesiku in danger. Ama
Grootman Lam ngifila ngathi nebad. Imagine support iKaizer Chiefs yakhala, Favi Menu yakhala, iBruno still yakhala, mara at least iBruno ibet ifikile ku final yabo. But ke wena as a Khosi fan uyalibona Grootman honest ne ngicela ungamgwadeli. Yabo because nyazo niya believe le team yakho uthi yenza grand and all that. So Grootman since uyiKhosi fan yini into ongathanda ukuyilungisa ku Khosi ubona wrong?
Because mfana kithi into ongathanda ukuyilungisa mina ngathi uthi ngithola ama player more mature go attacking midfielder yeKaizer Chiefs. Because I can say umtu is playing very well. Into encane understand but you need ama guidance. Because nokumbona kwamanye ama game I don't take anything from umtu Putomtala but umtu kwamanye ama game he takes Chiefs through izinto ezibhaya ne. So manje uyasindelwa isikhathi esibhaya. So kufanele umuntu mature than umtu ozothi umtu makangena a relieve le out le from ama duties because manje ama duties come to they are too heavy for you. They are too heavy nentwana.
So ku Bruno ne eliphi iplayer on showcase uthi lingaba istarter ku Kaizer Chiefs?
Bruno mfana ngithi abale out eshawa number 8 le ibambe indishini le mfana ngithi le out yangishaya igama mfana ngifuna ukukutshela manga mfana but ngiyibonile yona ukuthi hayi yabona futhi ngine believe enayo kuye nethi mangakwazi ukuthi whenever makabamba ibhola yakhe ivision yakhe ibe too far ema side or kuma pocket space angakwazi ukudlalisa ama wing flag ukuthi team yakhe whenever ikuthi at half once walibamba washaya istyle walijump isisenta siyakwazi ukuthi sipushe sonke soyibamba phezulu kwelayini then sibe more dangerous but makazoyidlala la iduzana any mistake esizoyenza sizoba nenkinga sizoba nenkinga ya but then hayi ingwenye mara mabangakazi ukuthi alungise igame yakhe ukuthi ayidlalele phezulu hayi izinje
so Rodman Lam ku pro side imaphi ama player a best for wena you can name 3 players a best for wena ku pro side PSL
eyokuqala it's an upcoming player edlala ku TS Galaxy as a right back bathu Oupa Mtaung is a right back I do believe what is still coming there then the other player for me na eli tough PSL and I do think ukuthi it's coming there idlala ku Stellenbosch bathu Mthiyane
inja leya star sure
Mthiyane mfana kithi le antwana le hayi ngiyayibona yeza mfana yeza kusase eli mara uzoyibona then ke obvious ke hayi yazi ngihamba ne Kaizer Chiefs mfana kithi umduduza hayi yangibusisa
so kulo ma play draw anemile Umthiyane umduduza thena obani no Oupa so kulo ma play draw anemile start 1 and bench and sell
ngicala ngomdu ngibeke Oupa kosula right back
ngibeke benchini
Oupa ngibeke benchini Umthiyane ngambolekisa mfana kithi ngamlona mfana kithi angeke ngimthengise yamdinga lo mfana ingwenya
so since u favor I Bruno eliphi play lingadlaleli Bruno mungathanda lidlaleli Bruno
kulama team ala lokishini
ama team aselokishini
ay PlayStation
PlayStation 10 mfana hayi ingwenya
le out le mfana kithi ungayibona ngathi intwana encane nomzimba ongekho mara the minute receive ball kunomoya akunomoya mfana kithi yeza mfana kithi ayeza i1-2 mayidlala le out le yenza sure ukuthi come back and once kwaba come back ingene eboxini hayi dlala out le indlala kamnandi
so Rodman Lami yipi advice ongayigaya intwana you know ukuthi eMzansi kwenzakalani ne most yama soccer player akhula under the influence le yokuthini uya ku pro side mafia lapha utshwala amantombazana uyazi everywhere la uhamba khona abantu bafuna ukushutha nawe and abanye bayibonile le ngiyenzeka kuma Rodman wabo yabo but still bayachubeka bayenza le leyo yabo so wena ungazigaya intwana advice uthini ukuze ukuthi mazithola leyo chance leyo yokuya ku pro side zigrab ngezandla zoyi2 ngayitshele uthini intwana ukuthi ithathe leyo chance leyo serious
Puto mdala I cannot say ngamele ngitshela intwana ukuthi kumele yenzeni yabo but mina ngakho encourage abazali because abazali bethu sonke singaba parents footballers you understand because thina singabantu abamnyama isikhathi esibhaya asifundiswanga ngemali you understand lo mntana omncane mamka i2 rand manje ugijima e-shop akazi ukuthi kumele ngibeke ishumi ngihambe ngeshumi nge-shop ngikwazi ukuthi kusasa ngithathe ishumi nge-shop you understand so into engaqala ukuyigcugcuzela mina ukuthi abantu abamnyama ukuthi umntana each and every time noma umuntu imali umupha yona mara mfundise kule mali umupha yona ukuthi ubeka okuncane for kusasa you understand I think if ever singaba intelligent ngaleyo ndlela leyo singakwazi ukuthi each and everywhere la sihamba khona ube ne motivation ukuthi into engiyenzayo kumele ngibekele ikusasa you understand so into engisho ngithi ngamele sigcugcuzele abazali bethu kakhulu ukuthi basize kule crisis esinayo because kwezinye izinto siyachajeka siba temptation ngabangani temptation life nezinye izinto ezenzeka around thina whenever sithena into a bright spot you understand uthola ukuthi unabangani ongakazi ube nabo uhlangana nabantu ongakazi ube nabo elifeni just because ukuthi fame seyaqala ya brighter you understand ila sishaya khona but sishaya ngokuthi asinayo imfundiseko egrand ukuthi masiphatha imali sidibana nabantu abaphatha imali kumele senze njani you understand but masingazi ukuthi imali yethu siqala kanjani from a way young old going up noba ungahlangana nobani lifeini akuthembise inani akwenzela izinto ezikanjani but ekugcineni uzokwazi ukuthi imali kumele ibeke hayi into engisho
so I hope nonke nizwile lapha especially nina abazali nabantwana yabo Rodman elringile ukuthi hayi man lintwana kahle kahle mina nizibeke lihlo nizibheke so Rodman Lami since is approach a second half ungawatshelana amafan weBruno ukuthi akhuthale yini wabatshela yona ngale game
into kumele ube sibenayo nje ithemba support amajita
sibaka motivation ukuthi noma yini yenzeke ebholeni at any given time. So singapheli umoya, let's keep on fighting. Anything is possible ebholeni. Singawini 2-1.
2-1. I heard my lishilo guys, you mentioned indaba ye comeback. So uzobona ke nawe kule video after ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Uzokhomenta na ukuthi my brother ushilo ukuthi 2-1. So far score 1-0 iyawina iMutakasi 0 iBruno. But guess on Chelsea final score. Awes.
Akiti sipe akiti. Hey guys, hwanyiwa the supporters tsa Bruno just bakwatile. My brother, please introduce yourself to our supporters to ubani wakwabani and why are you here?
Okay, my name is Johannes Rataha. I'm the spokesperson and the fan of Bruno FC. I think Bruno is coming all right. I know that Barry leader 1-0, but it's just a mistake that we spoke about half time, and then yeah, we will get back. We'll get back.
Okay. When my brother, and why are you here?
Yeah, yoga nickname Madombolo. Mo Bruno. I go because ke tlo senya a ke roa bona re badia ke tlo senya se zingo vo mongwe na ke na se khathi gore ka mo ke zepa Bruno ka ona a ke na mantsi mama a mantsi a ke na gona ke gore ke la ka leo. That's right.
So neli shebile game ya Bruno ijwang?
No, game all right, my sister. I'm not that much worried because the goal alone Mutakasi it's a mistake. I'm comfortable and the guys are connecting to one another. The only thing that we need is just the ball or even in the box and then it will net.
So what if things don't go according to plan? Bruno itla win. So let's say, God forbid, let's say I win.
Awa zezwe oyaga pelong nyaga le tshepo yaga naga mo one not before half time awa ke di papa di jela na ke bona goal je tharo je di tsanga mo tsa Bruno ke go gopela sesi is no gora Bruno o ska thausa nyaga o ska nyaga o ska ke ra tswa le ke itu nyaga na le nagre
let's say things don't go according to plan. God forbid again. If Bruno and
no, in football we accept everything that comes. It's a win or it's a lose. You accept it. But if the game is still on, you don't talk about what if. If you watch the game, Kaizer Chiefs they equalized 86 minutes. That's what people say. But yeah, in football you don't give up until the last minute.
Okay. Let's talk about score predictions.
Score predictions, I see the penalty. We're going to win penalties.
Okay. Score prediction.
Ke boletse ka 3 goals nna zanga ka bolela ka penalty again. Na ke gore ke beta finish. Yeah. Ha ke bofi. Ba re go dianko ka Zulu. Mazulu ke arata ba re go khendla ke khendli. Ke bolela sele ka mo. That's right.
No, ke a leboga for nako ya lena nkare le ka wina bathungle yeah no cause abuti if they lose I see you going to be devastated man. Why rata team ena man besithada ne
bona ebe ke rata na lwena ausi abe kushia zezike tabolong ya team ye ke rata gobane wena o rati football ke gopela nne go ntlong o phe Bruno is number 1. It's like Kaizer Chiefs munno apere uniform e botse man apere sutu munno.
Oh guys, mina I don't agree with ena ya hore bola mthuthu ke number 1 li bonile le runa li luna table number 1.
sesi ba bantsunyana ke rana Pirates ke ba rumile re bo hoya ola go di mo yelo ba motise mo net fela ka nna mo ke mo isha fast.
Hey guys, stay tuned. Re tla bona gore Mutakase versus Bruno e tla phela jwang, but for now score it's 1-0. Mutakase is leading. Hey, ba minyile honyiwa.
No, we are getting back. As Minyanga, we are getting back. We are going to get an equalizer. It's a final, obviously. You don't expect goals to rain, but yeah, we'll get an equalizer and then penalties. Then we get the game.
Okay, no, thank you so much for your time. Hey,
thanks.
Thank you. It must promise. Hey guys, Bruno, ina supportive wives more. Okay, kupa gore lili introduce. I mean angisazi Spanish mna. Lala nisi introduce la kuma viewers wethu ukuthi ngabo bani bakwabani yabona mos.
Hello, nake nna mokgetho wa Motladi ke supporter Shavi number 4.
Shavi.
Hello, mina nguthuthisa Makwela ngihamba nomntana mlana ulibona Makwela. Mina ngisupporta goalkeeper wethu uMatteo lapha number 1.
Okay.
Mina Precious Mazive ngizokhipha ubateam number 1.
Mrs Makwelo number 1 keeper Mkhonyana.
Nani ndiyasibonela guys kanyiwa la. A lot is happening. So tell us about the game namhlanje uyibona njani?
I'm enjoying the game, but I have a problem with number 2, which is the right back. I have a problem. I don't think he's defending enough, but I'm enjoying the game, especially supporting my big brother, Shavi number 4.
Yeah. When my sister, what do you think about today's game?
Today's game, I think maybe like the goalkeeper then eqaleni back of that focus ngabona ukuthi ibhola lizozaphaka right ovela ngala left. So mara ngihope ukuthi sizo recover. Ibruno yapusha.
Okay. So you know mos kunale stigma lesokuthi abantu besifazane they don't know football. They just come to the ground ngoba kunabafana. And what do you say about that?
It's not the one. We know soccer. We love soccer. Now personally the Pirates, as you can see, black belt, number one. This whole thing is just a stereotype. We know soccer and we love soccer.
Yeah. When mama, what do you think about the stigma? So good, abantu besifazane they don't know football. They're just here because they want abantu besilisa.
Ke feel the pain. Bolo haina go mosadi go monna. Bolo ke ball. As long as you understand the ball, that's it.
Wena unahanang about the stigma that is around ukuthi abantu besifazane they come to a ground because bafana they don't understand football, they don't know football.
I doubt that kunabanye abantu angeke ngithi I could not describe them ukuthi yebo, but then as amantombazane we are here to support our partners. Example mina ibhola ngilazi.
Okay.
But because of ke bomntana ngomsupport khona amantombazane alakhipanya nabanyana badlala ibhola, right? So I continue to bazofuna abafana or kanjani
that's wrong ne? That's wrong. Okay, let's go to score prediction.
2-1 to Bruno or 1-1, then Bruno will win in penalties.
Okay. Score prediction.
Angenqamba mangangazi. Nami ngikhona ngithukile vele, but I'm hoping ukuthi at least mangathi 1-1 ne take my penalty ke bese ke na siwine kwa penalty at least.
Okay. Score prediction. Hey guys, people are fighting here. Wanyiwa, the atmosphere liluna. Hey, liabona khora no. It's pretty tough. No, we Enkarlika win. I stand with you guys. Yeah. Who together forever.
Bruno.
Lebu.
Teddy number 1.
Good luck.
Teddy number 1. Good luck.
Teddy. Thank you so much for the time.
It's a pleasure.
uyabona nani ukuthi ngisurround the biggest family. Niyazi family yakabani lena. Mebangabazi bazobazi. My brother, please introduce yourself kubantu abangakazi ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which team do you play for?
No, mina ngumzokhona kwangezana. I'm playing for Bruno FC. I'm captain of Bruno FC.
Tell us about your journey at football. When did you start playing football and why did you choose football?
Actually, I started playing football at the early age, but ngoba yazi ngayiSpanini, then I resigned and then I came back after with my younger brother. I siqale ukudlala Kaizer Chiefs, then I came back 2018. Yeah.
So would you say your brother was part of the influence ukuthi akunikeze lento na ukuthi udlale ibhola?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, what talks do you guys have ukuthi to keep you pushing and akunikeze the motivation to never give up?
No, iwa nje ukusebenza kanzima, keep on working hard, discipline outside the pitch yabo uzinakekele, that's all.
So on today's game, did you find the game fair? Because a lot of people they're talking and nathi mehlela phaya siyabona mehle yabona. So when I'm ubhekile today's games, was it fair?
No, ngathini obviously our referee bana mistake ngabantu nabo yabo. So even if ungarevanga penalty ngeke sikhala yabo, but we gave our best. So esibonile ukuthi they only get one chance and then basipunisha ngayo mistake one. Then since the game siphethe but asikwazanga convert ama chances watholile, but we'll try next time.
Okay. So where to from here?
No, sibuyele emuva siyospana, so we'll try again kwamanye ama tournament, hopefully ukuthi we win.
Okay, any word of the day?
No, just push yourself every day and trust in God.
Okay, no, sikufisela konke okuhle ku career yakho and today's game no mina ngibukela uyashisa. Ngiyasho ukuthi nje it runs in the blood, but overall congratulations and thank you so much. Nawe ngifuna ukuthi usho like a few words now ukuthi uzizwa kanjani bandla Nkosi yami ngengane yakini noma ingane yakho bandla?
They did their best. I'm very proud. Udlale kahle baba. Just it's one of those things. A game, it's either you win or you lose it. So it's part of a game. It was expected somehow, Yeah, but after all, it's well done, good boy.
Yeah. Niyabona nani, if you have that support, obviously you'll go far. Thank you so much for your time. Congratulations.
Bafethu yabo masikhuluma ngebhola izinja sibhaya bafethu yabo abanye nabazi abanye anibazi yabo but masikhuluma ngezinja zasekazi sokuthi abantu ababhayi hype yabo ukuthi awubani hype man uyazi but masikhuluma ngezinja ezinyangeni izikena ngithola but uyakela ukuthi khona abalithandayo khona abalibukelayo khona abalaziyo hayi mjito uyalazi bambiza ngo-Alpha and Omega. Grootman lami ngizokuyeka uzi-introduce ngegama lakho lamampela usho ukuthi wena ubani wakwabani uphumaphi?
Okay, anake Alphonia Lekeno, Self-Osloras Extension 8.
Uphuma uhlala yelona. Yeah, sure. So Grootman lami, to be honest, ngiyaqala ukubona like i-player elintswembukaye like good na everything, very versatile player, like uyamuva good phakathi good kuwinga. So ngizokubuza Grootman uqale nini ukudlala ibhola and yini into elakumotivate ukuthi uqale udlala i-disc?
So basically started it ngisasemncane basically. It has been something ukuthi ngiyayithanda vele. So I've been dreaming about it, hoping and wishing that one day I'd find myself up there. But then because of izinto ezenzakalayo, sometimes you get to be disappointed and sometimes you get to ask yourself, how do you get to be disappointed where else you work very hard, yabo? But sometimes I don't know what lesson should I learn, but then I'm just learning as an individual now. So basically I try by all means that I push myself. Every time when I wake up, I know sometimes I get to feel down. Sometimes I get to be motivated and want to work more. Sometimes you get to see yourself, maybe you started it from the usasemncane, but then it has been something good as an individual.
Yeah, so Grootman Lambati iphupho alifu umnikazi esaphila uyambona unemtajela mosi izinto zenzekile ngomagic because we know God ukhona, anything can happen yabo. So mina into ngizokutshela ukuthi unga give up yabo, but into engifuna ukuyazi Grootman lami ukuthi mawuqala udlala ibhola as even now udlala ibhola uliphi player or consider as a role model?
Basically I've been watching Boteko, Bokiftil Remy, Boshaba, so all the time I used to like watching Itebi. Yeah, so basically my role model it has been Teko. Asansana la dlala ku Pirates.
Yeah. So Grootman lami since like we player ane like mawudlala especially ama game afana nalawa maqeda udlala final manje like since we play we prepare kanjani ama game afana nalawa like and we prepare kanjani and the pressure like we handle kanjani?
sometimes you get to think a lot of things. Sometimes you find yourself not resting. But by all time, I like to just meditate, because sometimes I get to be shaky, asking myself why kill shaky, but then I get to see Guti, there's something waiting for me. But at all times I try to meditate to calm myself so that keep it ready for Kausar. So basically being hakerapela, all the things diba sharp. So yeah.
So prefer career yakho since ugame iDiski, which clubs ukwadlalela, whether pro side or amateur football?
So I started go Polokwane City Rovers before batlo inema Platinum City Rovers. Then from there I went to Jomo Cosmos. After Jomo I go Orbit College. Orbit College Sansan go Vodacom, then went to JDR. Then from JDR back to Orbit College before how I got out promotion to NFT. So I've been playing there since before batlo promoted to PSL. Yeah, unfortunately things didn't go the way I wanted, but then I want to take life.
Yeah, so Elipi player okay wadlala nalo ongaliname as one of the best.
Currently one of the best I've played it with Tepang Mrim. Yeah, Mrim. I've played Leana ko JDR. Yeah, before Tlogutlela wa Mazulu. So that's the player Eleng Hori. Umpa hope. Even though Alemunyani, but then watching him gives me hope all the time. Yeah, one encourage.
So bafethu njengintshela le outlay imnandi angithola and ngisasho namanje alifi iphupho umnikazi saphila. If nayo lapho ukhona ucabanga ukugive up, ngiyakucela mfethu ungagive up. uNkulunkulu angeke akuphe into bese bekhona into ozokuthathela ntwana yami angithola. So wena pusha ungagive up uzofika la ufuna ukufika khona. Khotman lami I wish it like ngifisela yonke into enhle la ifini Khotman lami ukuthi ufike la ufuna ufika cause blind. Yabo ku rare ukuthola iplayer elifana nayo kasi most bakude Khotman lami yabo. So I-advise ongayigaya intwana ukuthi zifike ku pro ngazitshela ukuthini.
Well, basically to the young ones, they shouldn't just give up on themselves.
Sure.
By all the time they have to have hope, have faith, pray by all times. Trust in the process. Know that in life there are challenges. Sometimes you're gonna feel I can't carry on. But then you have to trust yourself that you can do it. As much as you pray, surround yourself with those who are positive enough to push you and build you to become the better person that you can be. But at all times, keep trusting on the process.
Sure. Yeah, I mean, advising now for when Khotman Lamuti, never stop believing and never stop praying. Just when into Meluenze, Tanda's tell ku God, which okay, we are funu ukufika lapha and make sure ukuthi yonke into oyenzayo ihethe umuntu. Yeah, and kuthi ubani ufike kuphi ungabi nejealous yangithola. Wena do whatever you wanna do and do whatever you do best. Angeke iphupho lakho limane life nje wena njami uyi-star. Ngisantshela bafethu namayile outlay star bafethu. Ungabiza noma ubani angeke babuye nyabheja nasi. Ngiyabonga isikhathi sakho my brother.
Thank you.
Much. Outlay star.
He's no stranger to our screens, the one and only Coach Yamutakasi. Coach, once again, please introduce yourself to the people.
Hello Sisi, igama lami ngumtsamayi Mtaung waseMapeta, Coach Mtakasi.
Yeah, no, today's game was fire, Coach. I have to admit, Tabafana Bako, they're doing the greatest job. What are the words or the few things that you give to them? Well,
amagame afana nalawa, amagame are too tactical. Mawungathathu abheka, but then important ukuthi ubani uyifuna kakhulu. Who needs it more? Then I think ama-Jets namhlanje they showed up and then they were willing to run for the 90 minutes lesidlalile. So that's what they did. And mina instruction yami in fact it was not like instruction. I motivated amajita in the dressing room before the game. Told them ukuthi we've worked so hard ukuthi size sifike lana, and then everyone une hustle yakhe, and then this is what we do, and then this is what makes us who we are. And then to be the best, you gotta collect as much as you can. Trophies, silverwares. So the plan was to come here and fight. I think everyone saw Guti Silwile playing against a very good team, which I think today they came with a very solid plan. Guti Nati is challenging, and then he has searched Guti how how strong or we are, or how much do we want to be our champions. Then they give us their run for our money. So, but then, I mean, I give you credit to my boys for their hard work and then the determination, and then to make me a champion coach namhlanje.
No, that was such a great team. It actually is a great team, and that was a wonderful game. Once again, congratulations on your win. Where to from here, and a few words of encouragement to our fans in.
First, ngicela ukuqala ngama-supporters wethu ngibonge Madala, ngibonge ubhuti wami lana, and then abanye nawo akhona, they come in numbers each and every game esidlalayo, even if we play separate locations, because of nangamhlanje we played I think 4 games which we won. I think le information engiyaziyo we won 3 games. Swine ekuseni ngo-10 sawina where is that ePhumulung. We are leyo 10 le ePhumulung, and then enye beyidlala ema7 eThembisa, and then enye beyidlala eCairo. I don't know the result, and then enye beyidlala. So we had 4 games, and then so far mina ngiyazi ukuthi we need 3 games, and then next week we are going back ema7 to play semi-final. Ezophela Saturday, and then Sunday, if we win Saturday, we're gonna play last 4 again kuSkepe ePhumulu. That's how sihamba ngakhona this week. And then you said
few words of encouragement.
Okay. Wonke umuntu othanda ibhola, umuntu ukuthi ifan yebhola, it doesn't matter i-team iphi. Let's try to support Kase Football, come in numbers, support Speaking for Stani and all these channels zonke lezi, because of they are the ones abazenza ukuthi sibonakale, sazi ukuthi sabobani, sihlala kuphi, what we do for a living, and then isenza abantu nathi like is taking us to the next level, la ukuthi nathi whenever we walk started umuntu nokubiza fela kubulise, and then it feels great. Umuntu stranger sesibulise sithi hi coach unjani in bakubuze ngempilo yakho, like a total stranger. Sometimes lento lezo ziyanceda nakithi ngoba esabantu sine stress sine, but then I believe ukuthi when you have this stress sinokuthi siyehlenyana. So yeah, this is what we always fight for, and then namhlanje ngiyabonga ukuthi we are champions, like we are labeled as Kasi champions, and then this is what we have to do as Kasi champions: win our games, go to the next tournaments, compete, and then if God we have Uma, I wish nje win. I think mhlambe mboma 2-3 this 2 weeks nje kuyo before sungena kuya festive la, because of we've got a lot of tournaments this. We still have KZN, we still have Imaimani, like I can name them Zningi, Msawawa, Soweto, like we just want to compete and then figure corner with the determination esinayo manje. I think my friends I will give maybe 2-3 ngiyawupha ukuthi ngibanike 2-3 before January.
No, thank you so much for your time, coach, and once again congratulations on your win. We wish you nothing but success kuJenien as iMutakazi.
Ngiyabonga sisi ni crew yakho. Mtakasiwe. Mtakasiwe. Thamulo.
It's not there.
Thank you.